Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at a portable pressure washer, the Fanttik NB10 Fold. So inside it comes with the pressure washer unit, and again this is a foldable unit. It also gives you room to store your accessories. So you get the user manual, you get the pressure gun, you get the holder for the pressure gun, 5-in-1 nozzle, USB-C charging cable, you get a foam cannon container, and the hose. So briefly going over some specs, this is a cordless power pressure washer and it's collapsible. It has a built-in 4,000 milliamp hour battery, and there's 3 different modes: 100 PSI, 160 PSI, and 220 PSI with a runtime of up to 30 minutes. And those modes are Eco, Regular, and Max. It comes with a 9.84 foot hose, and the capacity for the water is 3.17 gallons. Taking a look at the pressure washer, you can see this is a foldable design and there's a handle on the top. You also have a lid here that locks, and once you open it, you can access the tank. So if you open it like so, you can get a better grip and start to unfold it and extend the tank here. So once it's fully extended, it can hold up to 3.17 gallons. And also it's a good container storage for your accessories. So this is how it looks once it's expanded. On the side here, you have your USB-C charge port. You have your power button here, or your mode button, where you can turn on the light and then turn on the unit. And then here is the selector for the different PSI from Eco, Regular, and Max. Turning it to the side here, this is where you insert and plug the hose in, and this is to release it. So if you press the power button once, that will just activate the light. So you can use this, if you're camping, you have a nice LED light. And then if you press it again, that will activate the pressure washer. So this is how it sounds. So right now it's on the Eco mode, Regular, and Max. And then it shows the PSI for each of the different levels. Then you also have your battery indicator on the side here. Connecting the hose is simple. Just insert it like so, and then you'll hear the click, and it's locked into place. To remove it, just move this tab to the side, and that will unlock it. Here's a look at the inside of the water tank. Again, there's plenty of room to store your accessories. It comes with the pressure washer gun holder, and it just slides like so on the side. So you also get the 5-in-1 nozzle. So to install it, just line it up and then twist to lock it into place. And then you can adjust the different settings from 0 to foam. You got a 40 degree, 20 degree angled, 20 degree, and then a 0 degree. So we'll go over the settings in a little bit. And then it also comes with a foam container. So if you want to put your soap solution, this is the container that you use. I filled up the water tank here. Again, it holds 3.17 gallons. So this pressure washer, it's good for cleaning small spaces. If you want to clean your patio furniture, your bike, or if you want to take it for camping and have a water source, I think this would be a good tool for that. So I have the car here. It's going to take a lot of refills if you want to wash down the car, but if you want to do just like a spot rinse, I think this can work. So I filled it up. I'm going to put the container back on and then lock it into place. Now I'm going to attach the hose on the side. Again, the hose is 9.84 feet. And then just insert the hose onto the pressure gun like so, and you'll hear the click. And then to remove it, you just pull up like so. All right, I'm going to turn on the unit. We'll start off with the Eco mode. So eco mode is 100 PSI, and we'll just put it at 0 degrees. So this is 0 degrees on the eco mode. And then you have the 40 degrees. The 20 degrees, but it's angled down. And then this is just a straight 20 degrees. And then back to 0 degrees. And then there is a foam mode. So this is the foam. All right, so let's move over to the next setting. This is the regular, and this is gonna be 160 PSI. So a little bit stronger here. So there's 20 degrees. Let's just do the 0 degrees. So this is on the regular. Let's switch over to the max. So max is going to be 200 PSI. And let's cycle through the different modes. Oh, definitely a lot stronger here. This is on 0 degrees. Max is 220 PSI, not 200. So it's 220 PSI on max. This is foam. 40 degrees. The angle 20. Now this is the 20 degrees. And back to 0. So definitely a lot of power with the 220 PSI. And you can see here I've pretty much soaked the side of the vehicle here. And that's the 3 different modes. So here's a look at the water tank. Just going through those different settings and showing you the different PSI. You can see that it barely used any water. So a decent amount of storage for the water. Okay, so that's a look at the Fanttik NB10 Fold pressure washer. Again, this is a very portable unit. It's collapsible, easy to store. You saw that with the different modes from Eco, Regular, and Max. There's a decent amount of pressure, and it's versatile. You know, you can use it in the outdoors, whether you're camping, if you want a water source, or if you just want to do some light cleaning, whether it's your deck, your driveway, your patio furniture, or even your vehicle. So I've left the link in the description box below if you want to check it out.